Okay, welcome back. Doing the geometry review, we're on number 31. If this helps you out, make sure you hit the like button at the bottom. Subscribe, turn your notifications on, right?
Yes.
See every time I post a video?
Yes.
Alright, Wildcats, here we go. Number 31. So what is the graph of the equation below? What's, that's in standard form right now. It'd be easier to graph if it was in slope-intercept form, right? So let's convert this to slope-intercept form. We got 6x minus 2y equals 4. So basically I want to solve for y. So if I subtract 6x over, I have negative 2y is equal to negative 6x plus 4. Remember, you can't combine these. And then just divide everything by negative 2. So I got y is equal to 3x minus 2. So it's going to cross the y-axis at negative 2 and have a positive slope. So we're going up like that. Okay, so let's look again. So y-axis at negative 2. So this one's crossing at positive 2, so that's not it. This one's crossing at positive 2. I got a negative 2 here, that's good. And I got a negative 2 here. But remember, my slope is positive, right? So which one of these is a positive slope?
D.
It'll be D. Okay, questions on that? All right, 32. Says, give the x and y intercepts. So the 2x minus 6y equals 6. So how do we find the x-intercept? Yeah, we make the y equal 0. Very good. Very good. So if we want to find the x-intercept, make y equal 0. So we've got 2x minus 6 times 0 equals 6. 2x, that'd be minus 0, right? Equals 6. So 2x equals 6 divided by 2. X would just equal 3. So the x-intercept is 3 comma 0. Remember, we made the y equal 0. So our y is 0, and the x was 3.
Epic crap.
And then the y-intercept, what do you think we gotta do?
Make y equal 0.
Make x equals 0. So if we make the x equals 0, we'll have 2 times 0 minus 6y equals 6. So that becomes 0. So it's just negative 6y divided by negative 6. Y is equal to negative 1. So it's 0 comma negative 1. Okay, 33. It says, given the x and y intercepts of the line graphed, the x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. So it's crossing right there. So that would be 2 comma 0. Remember, to find the x-intercept, you make the y equal 0. To find the y-intercept, you make the x equal 0. So it's crossing the y-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4. Questions there? All right, 34. Let's see, Ralph looked up database and told him how many calories he could burn for biking about 12 miles an hour. How many calories would he burn for 30 minutes of biking at that rate? Let's see, our x's are going up by 2's, right? So we could just keep counting, right? Go to 20, 22, 24, 26, right? Let's see if we can figure out a shortcut. How much is it going up from here to there?
14.
14, right? And from here to here, is that another 14? So it's going up at a constant rate, right? So it's actually going up for every 2, it's going up 14, right? Every 2 minutes. Or we could say 7 calories per 1 minute. Does that make sense? Okay. So 7 then would be our slope. So 7 calories for every minute time. And we want to know 30, right? However, does it start at 0? Yeah, it does. Look at this. 7 times 10 would give me 70, right? So it works out. 7 times 12 is 84. So I want to know 30 minutes. So what's 7 times 30? Calculator class, right? We got math class. Somebody got a calculator.
200.
Close.
280. 180. I don't know.
210, right? 7 times 3 is 21. So 7 times 30 is 210. So 210 calories. All right, which of the following describes the graph of y equals 2? So y equals 2. Is this a vertical or horizontal line? Listen to this. If it only has one variable, if it just has x equals a number, or just y equals a number, then it's going to go through that axis. It's going to go through that axis. It's going to go through the y-axis. So if it went through the y-axis, it would be this kind of line, at positive 2. It'd be that line. So what kind of line is that? Vertical or horizontal?
Horizontal.
It's horizontal, so we can cross out B and D. Now, what's the slope of a horizontal line?
0.
0, very good. So, it would be C.